nature hunt. We found a couple. Sai, show me what you found so far. Alright, we're looking for a bird. Look up in the sky and see if you see a bird.
I see a bird!
You see one?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the next one on your list. Number 2, bird.
Right here?
The next one on your list.
No, I see bugs.
Yeah.
Be careful. Where are those bugs flying around?
There's bugs.
Little flies.
On this old bridge. What are you looking for? Ants.
Oh, nice try.
How many? Let me see your nature notebook. Let's see how many we found so far. Oh, wow. We're looking for an ant? All right. Let's go look for some
Where's
more.
the ant at? I don't think it's on the back. What is it? That's just a needle.
I just sneezed. Whew.
And that's just a big needle. How are we going to find an
You
ant?
gotta look. They're little.
They're everywhere.
Go look in the grass, maybe.
No, we can't see it in grass. Even if I'm really mowing. Oh, yeah.
This is a really large park with a creek in it. So I thought maybe we'd find more nature-y stuff than some of our other parks. Plus, it's beautiful out, and why would we want to stay inside and do school, right?
Oh, Mommy, I got a spider web in my mouth.
Oh, what?
Ah.
It's hair.
Oh.
Now we're
Spider
drawing.
webs?
Okay, can you draw a spider web? Your favorite thing you saw on the walk.
I like that that red.
Mia chose bumblebee, because we saw one. And Silas, would you choose bumblebee? And Haven chose a spider web. So much fun. These nature notebooks are awesome.
I love
It's just a little something
And I'm making it too.
special to make school even more fun. And to get outside, right? I like to get outside.
And stay on it.
Doing our nature notebook and finding nature right on it, huh?
Yeah.
That's a beautiful spider web.
Yeah, I like that. Those it's the ant. You're doing on Haven's book. Ooh.
Oh, are you making the spider on it?
Yeah.
Very
Wait,
nice.
I stuck on it.
Bumblebee on a tree in the grass.
Ooh. I'm gonna make a little tiny fly stuck on it, and that spider's gonna eat it. Oh man! It's not that deep. Ah, let's go!